the Seibon Carbon Fiber wing for the GR Corolla. They have two styles. I forgot what the other one, but this is the OE circuit style. So there's one that's a little different. Really straightforward to install. I did add a little bit of 3M right there around the foam on the center, just to give it a little extra support, because you have bolts, 3 on either side for that. But for that, I just want a little bit of extra rigidity just to keep it nice and tight. Let's head on back here where we will need a body trim tool, pry tool, and an 8mm. All right, so on the back you have these two piano black trim pieces that you need to remove. So open the hatch, grab your 8mm wrench, and then right there's one, and then right below it is another one. They do provide you new hardware, so no need to retain this unless you just want to keep it with your factory trim pieces. Got the second one out. All right, and now to take this trim piece off, there's a couple of body retaining clips up here. So you just kind of put your hand up and just pull away from the glass. And they pop right out. Other side. Oh no, the same thing, just pull away from the car. All right, another good reason why I like using 3M is it holds it in place while you mock everything up. So I'm gonna lightly touch it, that way if I get it wrong, I can maneuver it, manipulate it, but then it'll hold it in place while I bolt everything together. Not sitting the best right now, but I think it's because once I bring those bolts in and kind of pull the wing to the hatch and the glass, it'll be a lot cleaner. But it's on there enough, thanks to the 3M. If I open it all the way, yeah, it'll hold. All right. I think she's on, Dave. I like it.
I just really like it.
Very nice touch. That's how easy it is to put a carbon fiber Seibon wing on your GR Corolla. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what video you want to see us do next.